Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Clinical features of clinical features of urothelial carcinoma. A patient with urothelial carcinoma will mainly present with the following. The patient will present with painless gross hematuria is one of the most common features, followed by the patient might have flank pain in the flanks, or there can be irritating voiding symptoms may be seen in the patient.
thank you and thank you for watching.